Hey guys, I'm Steven. I'm the general manager at Roof Pro, and I have this sample roof that I want to explain all the different components of a roofing system so that you know what you're looking at and what you want on your roof. So here we have the plywood decking and then the drip edge, and the drip edge runs along and it helps water go straight into the gutter. So if water comes off here, it keeps it from going back up into there, and it just runs straight down. Same sort of thing on the side here, drip edge, keeping the water from going in. Next we have underlayment, which is the ice and water shield, which protects your roof when you have snow and ice build up right here at the bottom. And then we have synthetic underlayment, which covers the rest of the roof. Next we have the starter shingles, which come with a tar strip, and what this does is it helps prevent the wind from lifting up and blowing the shingles off. So that tar strip seals down to the shingle, creates a nice tight hold. Same thing on the rake edge, where the tar strip seals down to the shingle. Next we have the shingles and then the flashing. Every wall you want to have flashing, and you need, this is called step flashing. You want one piece of step flashing for every shingle. And then this is the ridge vent and the caps, the ridge caps. And right here is where the opening that is cut into the attic space so that the heat can come out of the attic and vent out of this vent right here. So down here we've got the soffit, which this is open soffit, so the air can come up into the attic space and out the top. If you don't have soffit, what you can use instead is an inflow vent, where the air comes in right here. And what we would do is we would cut a slit into your roof, put the vent over it, the slit would run all the way down, put the vent on it, put shingles over top of this so you wouldn't actually see it. It would look just like this. And then that way the air can come in and go out the top. And then of course we have your gutter. And then this is the fascia board, which is covered in aluminum fascia wrap. And then over here we have the rake board and the rake that is wrapped in aluminum.